James here, and on behalf of Jeremy Kennedy and myself, thank you so much for checking out AutoGrowCrypto. You know, we are in such a crazy time right now where we can be getting unreal percentages on our money. And what's so amazing about this particular product and this process that we've come up with is that you don't have to start with a lot of money. You can start off with a few dollars, but the exponential returns are there. Think about when you try and go get a lottery ticket. You spend $1. Now, do you really think you're going to get that 300 million? It may or may not happen, but there's kind of that dream. Well, the thing is, imagine if that dream was real. Imagine if you could buy something for $1 and you're getting return day after day after day to where it compounds at over 100,000% for that year. So if you have one coin, by the end of the year, you're going to have 100,000 coins. This is very, very real. This is something that has just come out. Jeremy and I have been testing it. It's been working over and over. Multiple times an hour, we're getting compounding. And we talk about it in the sales page below about the notion of a penny. Would you rather have $1 million right now, or would you rather have a penny that doubles every day for 30 days? Well, the answer is you'd want that penny that doubles every single day for 30 days because it turns out to be way more than $1 million. And that's the same premise that's going on right now, where you can start off with $1 and it compounds, and then it compounds again. And it's not just compounding like you think it's the same amount that's compounded over and over again. No, because the amount that you have is a little bit larger, and then that larger amount is compounded. Then the larger amount after that is compounded, and so on. To the point where we're making 3 figures a day now after a couple of weeks. That's what's really, really possible. And unfortunately, because of some of the events that just happened a couple of days ago in the world where there's a lot of turmoil going on, that's unfortunate, of course. But from our premise of what we're doing, it did not affect us at all. We kept making money. So while other people are very concerned about the price of crypto going down or remaining the same, because we're having this auto compound, that really isn't a factor for us. So it's really like we're actively being passive. We're going out and we're getting in something that's making more and more and more and more. Where in traditional crypto, you're just hoping the price goes up. By default, this process, our crypto is becoming more because we have more of it. Once you do it once, it just keeps going. And it's really, really, really crazy. And now's the time because we're in there early. We're in there early before the mass adoption. So you get in, get out whenever you want. But it's going to be some exciting times. It's exciting right now. We know people with multiple 5 figures into this. Crazy money. But again, our whole point is get in the game for a little bit of money, find out exactly what we're doing, not just the particular platform we're using, but the process, why we're doing this, why this is so crazy, and why this is such a new form of decentralized finance that you're not seeing anywhere else. This is cutting edge stuff. The small price that we're charging for this today to get into this world and then to get your lottery ticket for $1 or a few dollars, a cup of coffee, and see what this new world can do. It's absolutely crazy. So you're going to love it. Auto grow your crypto on autopilot. This works. We've done the hard work by going out there and testing it, finding this out, making it easy for you, and now you get to be a part of it too. So we can't wait to see you on the inside.